Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the slow performance and lag on this device. First of all, you need to enable the developer options on this device, and after this one, go to developer options. So in this developer options, you will get some animation scale. We need to reduce all this animation scale. So let me show you. Simply scroll down. So here you can see under drawing section, you can see the animation scale. You can see the window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Okay, so we need to set all these animation scale to 0.5x. Okay, so this will improve the speed or the performance of your device. So simply in this way we can fix the slow performance and lag, or we can boost the performance instantly on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.